Matt Kiesler, and this is the Virtual Beginning Band Project. These videos are for beginning trombone players, and all of these videos can be found under the Virtual Beginning Trombone playlist on YouTube. So here is my trombone case. It might look a little bit bigger and a little bit of a different shape than yours, but it's going to work the same way. Hopefully you've figured this out by now. You need to have it facing up the right direction. You should see metal latches on each side. There might be a third one here in the middle. You need to make sure that those are facing up and that the case is facing up. You don't want to open your trombone case upside down and have it spill out the wrong way. So if you can find a flat surface like the floor or a bed or a table to open your case on, we can get started. Flip open your latches, and then you get ready to open the trombone case. Now, once the trombone case is open, you should see three main parts. The first part is the bell section. The second part is the slide. And then the third part is your trombone mouthpiece. The best way to pull out these three pieces is to start with the slide. You want to be very careful with the trombone slide. Just always try to hold it straight up and down. And you should notice that there is a taller part and a shorter part at the top of this slide. You want to make sure that the taller part is always on your left because you're going to be holding the trombone with your left hand all the time. As you are holding the trombone with your left hand, your next step is to take your free hand, which is your right hand, and reach in to grab the bell section. The best place to grab it is right here. This is called the gooseneck, this smaller straight piece of pipe here. And if you can grab it and bring it out of the case, you should have your bell facing down to the ground. And with the bell section in your right hand, you bring it across in front of you and have it meet up with the receiver on the left and put the two parts together. The next step is to take this small metal ring and thread it and twist it until we have that snugly in place. Once your bell and your slide are assembled, the last step is to reach into your case and pull out your mouthpiece. And again, if you are assembling this correctly, the shorter end of your slide is on your right, and that is where the mouthpiece will go. That also remains on your right side. The mouthpiece should be inserted and then twisted slightly to help it stay in place. If you simply just put it in, it can very easily come out, and we don't want that to happen. If you give it a small twist, then it's more secure in there. You should take care to do this carefully. On some rare occasions, the mouthpiece can get stuck in this shank, in this opening part of the trombone slide. If that happens, you should try to get the help of a instrument repair technician, and sometimes a band director or a music teacher will have a special tool called a mouthpiece puller that can help to get this unstuck. What I do not recommend is asking an adult in your house to take a large pair of pliers and to try to get the mouthpiece out of the trombone. That never ends well. Once you have completed all of these steps, then you are ready to begin practicing your trombone. If you have any further questions or you would like to get in touch with me about taking virtual private trombone lessons, you can reach me at vbbtrombone@gmail.com. Thanks for watching.